Page. I don't think I'm fitting through this joint.
Our ass not 2 weeks ago. You can do it.
What you mean I can do it? I can't.
I said our ass not 2 weeks.
Come on.
Literally have your head.
I can do it. I'm doing it with a child in my hand, aka Bob.
Ready?
That's the principle.
No, don't push her.
It felt like I was going through an asshole, yo. No, literally.
You might got to catch her.
I might have got shitted out, yo. Okay, come on, Zoe. You can do it.
Is Bob good?
Come on.
You got this. That's it.
Wait, let me.
Damn, Zoe.
I'm sorry. I'm stuck.
Ain't no way.
Oh! Ow, my titty.
Hey,
I ain't doing this bullshit no more. Here, fuck. Hold on. Come on, Zoe. You got this. I'm not doing this bullshit. If I could do it, you could do it. Come on. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. You're good. Wait, Zoe, catch Zoe. Come on, keep going.
we're going.
Alright.
That fucked me to wish you fell.
Why do you have to crawl?
Another one?
Either way,
We gotta crawl.
probably gonna go. Oh, I don't know. Actually, I think this goes 2
Max,
ways.
be for real.
This goes 2 ways. I'm not sure which one is good.
Are we gonna wait for
Oh,
someone?
that way.
This way isn't like.
So you can go both ways, but that way is definitely like.
Smaller.
I don't even know if you can fit in there.
Wait, were we supposed to wait when we got through the hole?
Yeah, I think so.
Damn it.
I mean, did you hear the Juno?
I didn't hear nobody say stop.
Let's wait then.
Then I think
Is
I
my
would
earring
wait.
still in?
Yeah, I would wait till we can hear him. Or.
These knee pads hurt.
That's why I didn't wear none. No, I need them.
I'm gonna go feet first.
I remember. Yes, I remember this place. I remember. We was here, and Chance tried to go through there. So we in the right spot, yo.
Come.
Okay,
do the
great.
thing that she did.
We in the right spot.
Okay.
I think we just.
You wanna go?
I don't think we
head
went through
first
that
with
way.
your
I don't
arm,
know.
okay?
Literally,
We're the
I
adults.
remember that squeeze last year. I just don't remember
You
which
wanna
path we took.
Which is the easy way. Babes, I don't see that other arm, hun. You gotta.
No, I low key think we went back and took a different
Yup,
one.
you gon' fall. a
No,
little
we
bit.
definitely squeezed
Oh,
through
are you
there.
gonna hold
The
me
thing
or
that we just
no?
did.
Oh, I
Did we
will
do-
catch your fall.
We definitely
Where are
did.
the adults at?
No,
Jano is in the back of the line.
Who?
Jano, the South African.
So we waiting for him.
Yeah.
We are waiting for him. That's right.
Because bitch.
Miguel is tired.
Pussy not hot no more. Pussy tired.
Oh my. Hold my shoulders. Okay.
You got it, Hazel?
I'm gonna die if I move my hand and I have to move my hand. It's okay.
Zoe, get Hazel. Like, try to carry her.
What you think I'm doing? Not carrying me.
Damn.
Okay.
Who's last?
Do you need me?
Is that Scott?
I just need help, like.
This is
Scott,
Scott.
you gotta
Is
go
Scott the last
sideways.
person?
No, we got Josh. But Josh is skinny. He got.
Chase will die.
Fuck Josh.
Wait, Josh came through here?
No. He went. Fuck. He went the other way with that.
That's what I said. I said fuck.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Zoe, he gonna edit it. Zoe, he gonna edit it.
I know. That's too many bleeping.
That is too many bleeps.
Half the foot is gonna be fucking on.
Oh.
Half the foot is gonna be freaking on.
Yo, Josh, don't push.
I helped you. That is a lot.
Come on, Scott.
Especially from me.
I'm doing the splits like
That is not okay. Scott, get off of me. They're
I'm
really
trying.
too
Alright,
funny.
get
Oh.
your leg.
I just heard Alan.
Alan.
Back here.
Girl, we don't know. What the f?
Where did we go? Going straight.
Max go.
I'm right here. I was just watching.
Oh, okay. I thought that nigga left.
Hey.
No.
This is a family free. I mean, family
This is a family
We're all together right now.
Yeah,
Still people in the squeeze.
I had them
Oh,
stop.
I thought.
Bless you.
Wait, so Alan, after this, do we go straight up to you?
No.
We go straight, like straight.
Stay right there till we get everybody together.
That's what I said.
I thought you still wanted us to keep going. That's why.
No,
That's my fault, guys. That's
I
my
had
fault.
them stop.
That's my fault.
Did that? Y'all are disgusting.
Burping like a nigga.
Zoe,
we?
Nigga, not a cuss word.
Alright, so I guess we just stay here.
Yeah, they gonna have to blur.
Josh, where did you come from, yo?
He's been here.
I told you
No,
I wasn't
he went-
gonna do that
So
one,
like
bro.
when everybody else was at that spot, he went with us.
Yeah.
Back.
Wait, so why didn't we go with them when y'all was right here?
That's my ass me.
I see you too.
No, I
Because
don't
Josh
think so.
told us to.
I see you too.
Not
I
Josh.
thought we were
Alan
talking
told us
about
to come
I
back?
see you. I see you too. I'm not blind.
Where's Jay?
So how do we get?
I
How
lost
did they
my
get
buddy.
to us?
I'm
I'm
pretty
not sitting
sure.
up tripping
Oh.
down.
I lost my buddy.
Oh, that's
Who's
not
your
good.
buddy?
Jayla.
Move your freaking my head, bitch.
Who's
My-
J-Lo?
but My head can't be this
Who's
big.
J-Lo?
I keep on hitting
yeah,
him.
Jalen. Jalen.
Yes. Wait, where is
Where we
Jalen?
had more
Josh, where's Jalen?
She's the one that kept
We're best people's
Yeah.
back there.
I don't know. She went to the little
What that say,
speed and
clean Earl?
disappeared.
Are we
Clean
You
up.
lost your buddy.
That's a great way.
That's a great.
So where are we gonna go from here?
All I know is, bro, I'm never doing this shit again.
see.
I don't remember
Ever
doing
in my
this
life,
last
bro.
year.
As soon as I get out of here, bro, you ain't never gonna hear from me
Yeah.
again.
Aren't you 14
Well,
anyway?
not that can't.
Yes.
It's first
Oh, you
time.
can't do it again.
Comments out.
Praise the Lord, cause I wasn't.
You all praising the Lord,
I
man.
thought it was next year.
Why?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, they gonna have to
It's
bleep a lot of
my
stuff out this
third
Yeah,
video.
this is great.
I know.
Also my second
Y'all
year.
two are so
Cause Scott done said I don't fucking know so many damn times.
How do you guys say
I
that
guess
too?
it's just like a weight thing.
How do you guys like this?
A
bro?
white
This
thing?
don't give me claustrophobia. And
Claustrophobic.
It's just like in my
Yeah, I
head.
mean, if you're claustrophobic, then you shouldn't be in here.
Yeah, Layla. It was claustrophobic. And she was
Is that the girl that was talking to Chris or
Your
like Chris?
stomach is.
Yeah.
Fuck.
And Chris said, I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
said, I don't like you.
I see you. Remember when he was talking about
I
It is.
see
She-
you
Well, she
looking
walked
at
up
my
to him and she was just like,
PIC.
let's be friends.
Oh,
Or we are friends.
Okay, while we wait for everybody, a
Is that
little
the big Al?
concert from everybody.
Yeah, lady, what
Where's that mic?
Don't go feet first,
Here,
you have to go
I'll-
head first.
Yeah,
Where's that?
Head first.
yeah.
You have to.
I'll be here.
No,
What was that?
I don't know
Who
if
is
they're
that?
gonna go.
It's Zorka.
Oh, okay.
No.
Queen
No, you have
ZZ.
to go.
Okay, so sideways.
ZZ, you got this.
So sideways.
You may be long, but you skinny girl.
Can you tilt your light down?
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
Blinded me in my eyes.
We all know Josh was gonna fit.
You guys don't.
Yeah, I went right through
You
that jump.
skinnier than me.
Josh a
And
petite,
that's
Josh a petite model.
Yes.
That's getting me petite.
Yes.
Okay.
You so petite, queen. You so skinny.
You so skinny.
You skinny like a pencil queen.
I need to make Josh sticker immediately.
While me on here with my fat round butt with
No,
my
we not.
Why would we go through there, Paige?
No, we not. No, we not.
I see light too, but
I'm not going through there. I'm not going though. The fuck?
Excuse me.
I can sit my ass down.
Yeah, right there.
yes, you do. Shit. Damn. Keep talking.
Put your other arm out.
I see you, girl. What the hell is that? Oh,
Damn.
Ooh.
Yo.
I mean, dingleberries,
Yes.
acorns.
Stop hurting the shit.
Yo,
Yo, he gonna have to bleep this whole video.
Yeah. Alan.
They finna get 2 minutes of fucking footage.
No, literally.
Where do we go?
Donuts, apples,
Where's my
maple,
Apples and bananas. Hey, Josh, why they need a GoPro?
Shut up.
I can't. No, I can't hear you.
They only gave me the GoPro because I was
shut up,
over
shut
the
up.
clip. I
Yo,
know.
guys, stop talking. Alan's gonna. Where?
Place one foot down. Place one foot down.
All right.
What'd you say?
Okay.
Yeah, that's where Alan
The
is.
rocks over there.
I'm gonna
I
count.
thought.
Who's that?
Then why he going right
Oh,
there? Because that's the rock you can squeeze.
No,
Why
I can't.
not? My ass. Max, is that the one he's talking about? My shit too cakey for this.
I don't know.
I'm going to come on.
There's nowhere
I
to
think
go.
so.
Yes, it is. Is it
No, I
that?
looked up there. It's not.
Is it that right there?
Alright, put your arm.
Wait, so let me look.
I'm just gonna
Is it
wait
that?
for-
I would think so. It's
Max,
no.
is it
Yeah.
that?
Oh,
I'm definitely not down there.
Cause you're gonna keep going down, 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 down.
He said in the back of the room, the back of this room,
Stand up.
there's something that you
Fucking
can
It's behind a rock.
So I don't know what he's talking about because I can't.
It has to be behind you. It's probably behind there.
Hey, maybe we should have went the other way.
So he's.
right there.
Pointed at me.
He said at the back of the room. John, the only person that's gonna fit through that is you.
I thought it was
Probably
I
up there.
He probably
We did it.
If I can escape.
I will go first.
Alright,
If-
Yeah, you go first and tell me what happens.
If Jano's
Alright,
first.
so when you
And I'll go
start.
second.
Oh, Janelle's here.
Yes.
Okay.
So which way we go?
Hold on.
Where's
Jano.
Jalen?
His name is Jamal.
His name is Jano.
Jamal.
What's up?
Jano.
What's
Put
up?
your arms out.
Why would
Like with
I'm
your head. When your
I'm
head, your arms
sorry.
out.
You know it's
Yeah.
Jano.
I'll catch you.
Alright.
Like
Jano.
Like
Do you
Jano.
have instructions?
What?
Do you have instructions
Instruction?
from Alan?
This one.
Alan's gonna come around.
Oh, okay. Perfect. We'll just
Alright.
He's probably gonna show you somewhere.
I got him. No, you're good. I'll catch you.
Y'all say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
I'm watching.
I get you then.
Say hi. Say hi to the vlog, y'all.
Alright, guys.
Bob.
Hold on. Everyone
Wait,
quiet
let me
down.
turn my flash on so we can see. Hi.
Put your
Let's see. What's behind you?
Nothing.
No, it's like a hole. What'd you say?
He said find the rock that you can sweep.
Down there is
Jalen.
basically nothing.
small.
It ends up being very narrow.
She said I can go her Jalen.
Up here, this probably looks promising.
Alright, let's
Are we waiting for Alan or are we just gonna go?
Wait, is she?
yeah, Alan can't squeeze through this.
No, her big so.
Let me trust her.
It's because she's big.
Where's my camera?
Jano.
Okay, I'll go first. So you
His
can,
socks are fire.
you can choose on.
What you trying to do?
On the contact.
Hey, my butt like that too.
Wait, I think I go to that.
Do you want me to do it?
Go down.
Thank you. And I just took pictures.
That's yeah,
Put everything all the way on the floor.
You good?
Put your other arm. So
Is
we
it up there?
had to like. That's crazy. That's some crazy shit. I mean, I'm stop.
Zoe.
This some crazy.
You know what? You're not staying with your partner, so.
Wait, where?
But come on, Zoe.
Go, Zoe.
What's his down? The two Zoe's together. No.
Go up.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna look away.
Hold on.
Wait, hold on.
Don't go, don't go.
Go up.
Don't go.
Ew, you got stuff in my eye.
Sorry.
Jalen, are you through? Jalen, you got this.
Alright,
No,
yo,
she
you
close to back.
Y'all go back.
What you mean go back? What
There's nothing up there.
We're stuck.
We're not, bro.
If I go
There's
back,
nowhere to go.
if I gotta go back,
Go that way.
They just said go back. They just said go back.
No.
There's
Now, wait, is Alan back there?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, he's
Alan
down
said
there.
go back. Alan said we're supposed to move further back, yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
No, like
Down
go
there.
back that way.
Go back.
That way.
Come back.
No, you have to go back that. Oh.
Jalen!
He did not say that, or did he?
He did, he was up there.
Jalen, clench your butt. Jalen, clench your butt.
just pull her back in there. We're all going back.
Down there.
What?
We're all going back.
Yeah, I think so.
Nigga,
You said keep going.
how much it took to me to
I
get
thought
in?
you said keep going back.
Zoe.
Yeah, that's back.
Further
Further back.
Oh, okay.
Alright, your turn.
Sorry.
Alright, yo, back here. Yo, it's back. Back. He meant back as in back here.
I know that.
This is so funny. This is rated. This is a rated R vlog.
Oh, hell no.
This is a rated R vlog. Ain't no kid watching this.
Anyway, watching it anyway.
Get this,
I
yo.
didn't even do it.
It only gets 12 views.
It's all her, bro.
We just ruined the reputation.
No, they get a lot of views actually.
It was Alan.
This the last video they got 12.
No, we don't have to. Are you dead ass? No. He meant
Is it
the back,
good?
like back there.
You don't know.
Wait, did he just say I don't know? Yo, get your
Because he meant back like
Partner.
back there.
Oh.
So are
You guys see anywhere else to go?
No, not really. Not anything but back there. Is there anything
I'm
to
gonna
go
cry.
out down
I'm
there?
just gonna fucking cry.
Zoe is okay. Ain't nobody.
If not, I'm shaking.
Amir, help
You
where?
shaking?
What do you mean we stuck? What do you mean we stuck?
We not stuck. You could go
I
back that
remember
way.
being in this room last year.
I damn near fell, bust my ass and get through this way.
I just remember that screen.
because I was too tight.
Alan knows the way.
Zoe, you making
I
a
don't know.
cookie crumble.
Wait, is Alan over there?
He's down there.
No. He's in that way, and he told Jano to go further back.
So where's Genoa?
Down there.
Down there.
So we don't have a staff member.
No,
Yes,
right,
we do.
oh, he's just right
Right
there.
there.
Oh,
No,
okay,
right
okay.
there.
I didn't know it was right
Cause what you mean we all got a staff member?
No,
We
literally.
all
Is
finna die.
everybody in here?
No, I think. Wait.
I think so.
Y'all, we all.
is in here.
How you feel?
Y'all, we all finna die.
Are you scared?
Please don't say that.
Are you scared?
Yeah. So don't talk about
You're
The first one that you
Mind you.
Like,
You know what you do?
oh,
Still got stuff to do at home, bro.
that's not funny.
Wait, you're going
If
up?
only
Yeah,
somebody
try.
that's small can fit.
No.
I'll
Just
try.
Wait, whole time we gotta go under here.
Wait, I feel like we can't be able to go down there. If you
Yeah.
can't.
They said they need somebody small. Who volunteered? I'm small.
I guess we should just go back.
Alright.
Wait, I didn't mean it.
Calm down.
Share a session. Actually, I'm the biggest.
Terry small.
Tara on the
Yo
actual
guys, we
smallest.
need quiet.
No, Scott, I
We need,
didn't.
yo, we need quiet.
Jalen, shut the freak up.
Freak up.
Alan's talking.
Shut up.
Quiet.
Alan's talking. Alan? Yes?
Which way do we go, Al?
You said further back. Do you mean all the way down?
All the way to the back behind the rock.
Is it this small crevice at the very far end?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Alright guys,
So go back, guys.
it's gonna be tighter than that.
It's gonna be tighter than the
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanna go back. I wanna go home.
I wanna go home.
We do know some people can't
Yeah, buddy.
Wait, so we go.
Your buddy more adventurous than you are. Y'all wanna switch buddies? No, I'm going in front of you. Oh, I'm ready to get the fuck out.
No, literally. I thought she was just like that.
Shut up, bro. He's like upset right now.
What
Is he actually?
Yeah, is he good?
Wait, no, let me come.
Josh,
Bro,
you're
I
fine.
can't get stuck in here.
You're not. You're not gonna get stuck.
You're not gonna get stuck.
Josh, it's okay.
Josh.
I need to get out of here.
Josh. Bro.
I'm gonna find a way out.
No.
Taryn, that's not funny.
No, I'm not
This
going
should
to
not-
that small. Josh.
Josh, you can fit though.
It'll be okay.
No. Much bigger than you.
Oh, Josh, I'm like bigger
There has
than you,
to
bro.
be another
I'm
way.
bigger than you.
There has
You're
to
the
be
lead, bro.
another
It's
way.
fine. You're good.
Hey, Zoe, hold my bag.
Low key, I might think.
You said you only friendly for anybody now.
Amir?
If you could beat up a cop, you could do this.
Exactly.
Josh, you got this. This some real nigga shit. You got it.
We're gonna get both ways. No, there's no way out.
You could go back that way. If you
Who going back over here?
Shit, I'll go if I'm not going through there.
I'm gonna have to fight everybody.
Just kidding.
That's terrible.
Everybody shut up. Oh
Oh my god, I'm
She's
gonna
the
die
one
here.
No, you're not.
We're gonna make it out, I promise. Oh my
Mike is
god.
talking. Josh, you'll be okay.
I know I should never came in this cave.
If you don't want to go through that way, you can go back through that way.
I can?
Yes.
I can.
I can go through that way?
Yes.